The best commercial property of 2025 is finally launched, and it is launched none other than in Dubai. The project name is Shahrukh by Danube. This project is one of the iconic projects in commercial real estate. Yes, this is the Sheikh Zayed Road, the lifeline of Dubai, and almost all the properties on Sheikh Zayed Road is leasehold, and very few properties in Dubai are freehold of commercial offices. Shahrukh by Danube is one of the property which is freehold, and it is bang on Sheikh Zayed Road near to Mall of Emirates, and you have got two metro stations at the walking distance. Now if you want a view, we have got Burj Khalifa view, we have got sea facing apartment overlooking at the Palm Jumeirah, we have got JBR Marina JLT view, and we have a golf course view as well. Let's go inside, check out how it's going on. People are putting their EOIs because the allotment is not yet started. Let's go inside, check it out over here. Why it is the best project of 2025 in commercial real estate? Because you're getting 35 plus world class amenities in this project, wherein you have got everything right, including of valet parking plus cinema hall. You have conference room, podcast room, infinity swimming pool overlooking at the Palm. 35 world class amenities you don't get in resorts. Forget about residential building, forget about commercial building, but in this project you're getting, and this all is got possible because of Rizwan sir, because he got the collaboration done with Shahrukh Khan and got the project launched Shahrukh by Danube. And this property you can own by paying 1% monthly installment, 70% till the time of handover, and post handover you're getting 30%, which you can pay over 30 months with 1% per month, which can be covered with your rentals, or you can utilize it by using for yourself. You can take entire floor, you can take half floor, you can take a small office of 350 square feet, 450 square feet, 700 square feet, and most of the offices comes with a balcony. Yes, in Dubai you don't get offices with a balcony. Here you're getting offices with a balcony. Plus, if you need higher floor, we do have higher floors above 50 floor. I can get you the office, the small office. What are you waiting for? Contact New Heights Real Estate. This is exclusive with New Heights Real Estate. You can own your office in the sky and see the clouds under you. So be my client and book your Shahrukh by Danube now. You can get easily minimum around 12% of rental return from this property.